Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and recently I bought this adorable, absolutely adorable little silicone 13-inch baby. And I call her Boo because I really like the Pikas, but I decided to get a silicone rather than a Pika. A Pika it's a kind of baby doll, and there are challenges every Wednesday on YouTube in the doll section. I don't know, what would you call it? Community, doll community for Pika challenges. So I got this doll and named her Boo. She's really cute. She was inexpensive. You can see her little feet. Not only are her toes independent, but her little feet have prints on them. Her little hands are fisted like a baby's is, but her little pinky finger is out and her little thumb, you probably can't see it on camera, but it's really lifelike. And she is a really cool silicone to touch. She's like, it feels like a real baby. Anyway, I bought a little outfit. Let's see if it fits her or if it's going to go for one of my 18-inch dolls, probably one of my American Girl dolls. I've been playing with them a lot lately. It's more baby outfit, though, than 18-inch, or my 18-inch girls. I don't like the 18-inch girls dressed too, well, hoochie mama or too young. Let's try this on her. I think it looks real cute on her. Yeah, the hat's a little big, but that's okay. Look at the little booties. Oh gosh, I think it worked out really well. Little rabbit, which I don't know what the heck this is supposed to be, but okay. Little rabbit with the little ears on the hat and that, and the little booties make me laugh. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Our song for today is going to be Superstition by Stevie Wonder. And what we're asking you to do in the comments through October in our videos, we're singing, well, October-ish or Halloween-ish songs. So think of a line from Superstition and leave it in the comments. Leave your regular comments and then add that as a second comment. And if you see somebody has a line and you know the next line, put that in the comments. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.